One of the first steps that we do is 3D scanning of each part. Right now we're in the preview mode, so I can show you how everything works. In this case, we have a 3D scanner here, that's scanning on our computer on the right side, and we're not gonna get a lot of information from a 3D scan, but it will be sufficient for us to at least keep the shape as much as possible similar to the original design. So that is really important. We're gonna start with this piece first. Here we have our Creality 3D scanner. It's very basic 3D scanner, it's not really expensive, and for something simple like this, we're going with really basic stuff. When this is done, as you can see here, we have our table. Once it starts scanning, the table gonna rotate, and it's gonna scan each piece. When the scanning of one side is done, we can position it differently, and then in our software we're going to merge all those scans into a 3D model. We do the same thing for all other components, and for me the most important piece is this light, the camera that's going inside. This is important because we are going to shape inside of cylinder towards this light. I mean, we can actually measure this with a caliper or whatever, but I do want to have shape as accurate as possible, especially this groove here that's gonna actually direct the position of this light inside a cylinder. So this is gonna be our space limiter, we can call it like that.